Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2014 Toyota Sienna XLE AAS. It comes well equipped with power heated mirrors, roof rails, deep tinted glass, power sliding doors, and much more. 17-inch alloy wheels, all-season tires, fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 89,252 miles. The power liftgate, a hidden rear wiper, large LED brake lights, a very spacious cargo area with a third row seat, and a comfortable second row with climate control. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated leather bucket seating, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a locking glove box, a garage door opener, power outlets, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the entertainment system with a 6-disc CD changer, Bluetooth and SIRIUSXM, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.